at an English fair. One evening I was there when I heard a showman shouting underneath the flare. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. There they are standing in a row. Big ones, small ones, some as big as your head. Give 'em a twist, a flick of the wrist, that's what the showman said.
Reason number 2. My laptop sucks for gaming. Because I don't have a shirt, Espeon's hanging over my head and it's bugging me, and I used a Sharpie to color in this thing backwards. And reason number 4, if I had a new gaming PC, I would have rid of my friends' face because they all have low-end PCs, and I love to laugh about that because they all suck. Woo! And reason number 5, because I love you, Elite Gaming Computers. I mean that right.